Sweep up any solid or large dirt and debris before dry mopping. Next, using a dry dust mop, remove all remaining loose, dry soil. Pre-treated dust mops are not recommended since these products can transfer and attract soil. Replace the pad once it becomes visibly dirty. Next, wet clean. Use pH-neutral hard surface floor cleaner and follow manufacturer's instructions for dilution. Common methods include: Method 1. For smooth surface flooring, agitate using a low-speed buffer or auto scrubber with a 3M red pad. Spray pH-neutral hard surface floor cleaner onto the surface and buff. Any pad darker in color than red, as well as high-speed RPM machines, are not recommended. Buff the floor in sections to avoid the surface drying. Repeat water rinse process if necessary to remove any residue haze. Method 2. For embossed or textured flooring, agitate using a cylindrical brush scrubber with medium bristles and a pH-neutral hard surface floor cleaner. Floor should be fully dry before allowing traffic. Have questions? Contact Patcraft. Always refer to maintenance guidelines for your product.